The desk board attaches between the left and right desk arm brackets as shown here. You have a few options when it comes to the construction of the desk board. The desk board can be built out of any lumber material such as solid wood, particle board, or plywood, as well as MDF. Edge banding may be added to the edges of the desk board to give it a truly professional finished look. You may want to watch the video on how to apply edge banding, available at easydiyMurphybed.com. You can also use a melamine shelving board available at most hardware stores such as Home Depot or Lowe's. These shelving boards are usually 5/8 inches thick and are made out of particle board or MDF and come in 12 or 16 inches wide. You can easily cut these to the required size to be used as your main Murphy bed desk board. There are some requirements that you must keep in mind before you start building your desk board for the proper operation of the DIY Murphy bed. The length of your desk board is the distance between the inside of the left and right desk arm brackets. For best results, we recommend you cut the board after setting up the desk arm brackets on the face of the Murphy bed to avoid mistake. The depth of the desk board can be between 12 and 24 inches deep for any vertical wall bed. However, for a horizontal Murphy bed cabinet, the depth should not exceed 20 inches. This is because the desk will be too long and may make the bed frame of your wall bed too heavy. Also, if you are already using a heavier mattress for your wall bed, you may choose to use a smaller desk board. The basic desk board consists of a single board attached to the left and right arm brackets of the desk. The desk board can be built out of 5/8 or 3/4 inch thick material such as solid wood, plywood, particle board, or MDF. You may also add a rear rail to your desk board. This is a better option since the rear rail will prevent the desk board from bending in the middle when heavier objects are placed on it during regular use. The rear rail also adds a more professional finished look to your Murphy bed desk. The rail can be constructed out of any lumber material such as particle board, plywood, or solid wood. One requirement for the rear rail is that the height be less than 3 7/8 inches tall, so we will clear the hinges on the desk arm brackets. The other requirement is that the rear rail is a 1/4 inch shorter in total than the length of the desk board. This means the rear rail will be 1/8 of an inch recessed on the left and right sides of the desk board. This is necessary so the rear rail clears the desk hinges. You may also add size to the desk board as shown here. Of course, you can also round the sides of the desk boards if you choose to. The only requirement for the size is that the maximum height be less than 3 7/8 inches tall. Once you have determined the kind of desk board you want to build, go ahead and build it using the materials you choose as instructed here. The desk we are showing here has been installed on a full-size vertical Murphy bed. The desk board is 16 inches deep and features a rear rail. Here the desk has been installed on a horizontal full-size Murphy bed and the desk board is 20 inches deep. Sides have also been added. Once you have completed the construction of the desk board, proceed to video 7 to attach the desk board to the desk arm brackets.